Here we have this 69 plate BMW 330e M Sport. Comes with the LED headlights, the kidney grills in the centre in black, and we've got the M Performance kit on this vehicle as well. Got the front splitter at the bottom, front and rear parking sensors with a rear reversing camera. We've also got the 19-inch BMW diamond cut and black alloy wheels with the blue M Sport design caliper behind, side skirts at the bottom. Privacy glass at the rear for the passengers with a black trim around the outside with the colour-coded door handles and door mirrors. We've also got the colour-coded shark fin antenna up top and the spoiler on the tailgate just there. Making our way around to the rear, you can see we've got the single exit exhaust on each side of the diffuser with the parking sensors running across the centre of the bumper. Now this vehicle does come free from any major marks, dents or scratches. This vehicle also comes with £2,500 worth of factory extras, all of which are listed on our website. Now as we take a look at the rear interior, you'll be able to see we've got the all black leather with the grey stitching, Isofix points and the armrest in the centre, and we've got the ambient lighting in the door just there. We've also got the climate control for the passengers. Onto the door, we've got the electric windows just there with the door handle, and we've also got the ambient lighting running through as well. Onto the front seats, we've got the same styling front seats, all black leather with the grey stitching. Both of these seats are heated, and there is a look at those. We've got the electric windows with the folding mirrors. We've also got the ambient lighting on the front door as well. Automatic lights with the automatic wipers and the multifunctional steering wheel. Taking a seat inside, turning this vehicle on. My foot is on the brake, press the start button, and as you can see on the dashboard, we're free from any warning lights. We've also got the cruise control and speed limiter with the paddle shift behind, and we've also got the volume button here with the paddle shift behind. If you just press these three lines, comes up on the digital dashboard the different functions you can have. We've got the satellite navigation in the centre. We've also got the DAB radio with the Bluetooth media, Bluetooth phone connectivity. If I just go onto the home screen and go down the left hand side to car, click on this, go into settings, go to the interior lighting, and you'll be able to see this vehicle has ambient lighting, and you can also change the colour. At the moment it's on lilac, but if we change that to blue, going back you can see that it's gone to blue on the door and across the dashboard there. We go back into the home screen, down to apps, you can see this vehicle also comes with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We've got the dual climate control with the heated seats on both sides, heated rear window with the air conditioning there. We've also, I'm just going to pop that off because it does get quite loud. We've also got the USB and the phone, the cup holders, sorry. We've got the automatic gearbox with the different drive modes, so if you just press these on screen, it comes up with all the different drive modes in which this vehicle can be driven. We've also got the dial and the function buttons for the screen just there with the electric handbrake. Now if I just pop this vehicle into reverse, you'll be able to see we've got the reversing camera on the left and the parking sensors on the right hand side. Popping it back into neutral, making this car safe. Now that's all I'm going to show you guys today. For more information on this vehicle, you can head to the website or give our sales team a call. This car comes with a fresh MOT and a fresh service and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.